Spinning Records musicians distribution platform full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and related tools are in the description. Spinning Records is one of the leading electronic dance music (EDM) labels and distribution platforms in the world, known for its roster of top-tier DJs and producers, including artists like Martin Garrix, Tiesto, and Oliver Heldens. The platform is designed for electronic music producers and DJs, looking to get their music into the hands of industry professionals and listeners on a global scale. Spinnin offers distribution through its Spinnin Records sublabels and makes it easier for artists to reach major digital stores like Spotify, Apple Music, and Beatport. Key features. Spinnin Records provides global distribution services for electronic music, ensuring that artists can distribute their tracks across major streaming platforms and digital stores. They offer promotion opportunities through their extensive network of media outlets, playlists, and festivals, providing emerging artists with exposure. Spinnin also has a Spinnin Premium program, where top tracks can be signed directly to the label for wider promotion, access to exclusive events, and a chance to work with their experienced A&R team. The platform also integrates with Spinnin Talent Pool, a way for up-and-coming artists to get noticed by the label and sign deals with its sub-labels. Who it's for. Spinnin Records is designed for electronic music producers and DJs serious about making a name for themselves in the EDM world. If you're looking to distribute your tracks to a wide audience while also gaining the backing of a prominent label, Spinnin is one of the best platforms available. Strengths: massive exposure, access to major streaming platforms and festivals, industry-leading label, sign deals with top sub-labels and increase your reach, global network, exposure to a worldwide audience through playlists and media outlets. Weaknesses: competitive, the platform has high standards, making it hard for new artists to get noticed. Not ideal for all genres, focuses mainly on EDM, so it's not the best for other music styles. Requires a strong track record. Breaking through requires a solid portfolio or previous success. Final verdict. Spinnin Records is one of the most powerful platforms for electronic music artists. With its global distribution, promotional opportunities, and access to a top-tier network, it's perfect for those looking to build a serious career in EDM. However, due to its competitive nature, only artists with solid music production skills or prior experience may break through. If you're serious about getting your EDM tracks out to the world, Spinnin is a top-tier choice. Links to Spinnin and related tools are in the description.